Respected parents and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Educators Raheen Campus Dina. Class 2 Subject Science, Unit 1 The Human Body. Dear students, we have done our previous work. Now we will do our next work. We will start our next work from here. Number 4 Lungs. The lungs are found in our chest and they help us in breathing. So, with the help of lungs, we can breathe. How? Our lungs fill up with air. Air means oxygen when we breathe in. And we have two lungs which look pink and rubbery from the outside and like a sponge from the inside. How many lungs do we have? Yes, we have two lungs which look pink and rubbery from the outside and like a sponge from the inside. You got that, students? Okay, this is amazing fact. When you are asleep, you breathe slowly. Dear student, you can see this note at the top of your page number 5. And this note is, stay away from cigarette smoke as it can damage your lungs. Students, smoke comes out from cigarette and we take in our lungs this bluety smoke. That is why it can damage our lungs. Okay students, now we will start our next topic, stomach. The stomach stores the food we eat. And students, when we eat something, it goes through food pipe to the stomach for a short time. As our all body organs are connected to our brain, so when we eat something, the brain sends signals to the stomach that food is on its way. Due to these signals, the stomach starts producing juices, and these juices help in breaking down the food we have eaten. And student, this breaking down process is called digestion. This breaking down process is called digestion. And it takes around 7 seconds for food to travel from your mouth to your stomach. Only 7 seconds. Okay, now we will solve these questions. Remember and understand. First one, which part of the body fills up with air when we breathe in? Yes. Lungs fill up with air when we breathe in. Question number 2. Which substance in our stomach helps in breaking down the food? Our answer, the juices in our stomach helps in breaking down the food. Now open page number 6, students. In first box, there is brain teaser for you people. Unscramble the words. Student, you have to solve it by yourself. And in other box, words to learn. Which words you have to learn, students? First one is muscle. Muscle is a tissue in the body. Second, skin. Skin is covering of the body. And third, organ, a part of living things which perform a particular task. For example, heart, brain, lung, stomach. These are our organ and they perform particular task in our body. Here is concept map for you people. As you know, students, as we learned this lesson, brain controls the all functions of human body. As we know that skin covers the human body, and lungs provides oxygen to the human body, heart pumps blood around the human body. and stomach breaks down food for human body, and all these functions are controlled by brain. Now come to exercises. Page number 7. Number 1, choose the correct answer. Part 1, which organ do we use while breathing? Heart, skin, lungs, stomach. Yes, lungs. Circle the lungs, students. Number 2, name the organ shown below. Which organ is this? Skin, brain, heart, stomach. Yes, this is stomach. And also write down over here. Number 3, skin gives us the sense of touch, breathe, pump blood, store food. Yes, skin gives us the sense of touch. Number 4, the organ which controls all other organs and senses is called brain. Organ pumps blood around the body. Brain, heart, skin, none of them. Heart. Yes, heart pumps blood around the body as we done in our previous work. Now open page number 8. Question number 3. Match the name of the organ to its picture. Students, you have to match with scale. Number 1, skin, lungs, brain, heart, stomach. Match with the correct one picture. Dear students, we have completed our all exercises on textbook. Now we will do our written tasks on NEET notebook of science. Written task, page number 7. Recall question. We have done already question number 1, 2 and 3. Now we will do question number 4, which is related to our today's topic. How many lungs do we have? Answer, we have 2 lungs. Question number 5. What does the brain do when we eat something? When we eat something, the brain sends signals to the stomach that food is on its way. Okay, students, very good. Now mention all these questions. At the end, this is project idea for you, students. This is your home task. Make different internal organs with the help of Play-Doh. For example, you can see this is heart made from Play-Doh. So you have to make your own organs with the help of Play-Doh. Students, we have done our first unit, the human body, and I hope that you learned lots of things from this unit. Inshallah, we will start our next unit number 2, kinds of animals. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take good care of yourself.